Hello everyone, I'm Francesca. In my lesson today we are going to practice on this digraph. Ch. I will show you some words that have this sound in them. Are you curious? Stay with me. Ch, a, t, chat. Let's have a chat. Ch, e, p, s, chips. I love fish and chips. Ch, e, k, chick. This chick is so cute. Ch, e, n, chin. She has a double chin. Ch, o, p, chop. I like to chop wood. M, a, ch, much. Do you need much money? Ch, ch, church. I go to church every Sunday. Ch, rich. I want to be rich. Ch, bunch. I lost a bunch of keys. K, check. Check your work, please. K, chalk. Bring me 2 pieces of chalk, please. Ouch, pouch. Do you like my new pouch? Ouch, couch. I have a new couch. Now I'm going to read all these words one more time. Can you read them before I do? Have a go. Chat, chips, chick, chop, match, church, rich, bunch, check, chalk, pouch, coach. Hello everyone, I'm Francesca. In my lesson today we are going to practice on this digraph. Ch. I will show you some words that have this sound in them. Are you curious? Stay with me.